Hey guys, this is Brian with Texas Treasures, and just bought my next storage unit. Spent like 70 something bucks on this, and I'm gonna show you what I found. Hopefully we find some pirates. I'm a pirate. Hopefully we find some treasure inside, so stick around. All right, so here's the unit from the outside. I haven't been in it yet. The lady just opened the lock. And the pictures on this unit were not very good, guys. And I got this tip from Wade's Venture. By the way, check out his storage unit class online. And I saw this in one of the pictures, one of the last pictures. What does that look like? Nike boxes. So my hope is that these are Nike shoes inside. So let's take a look. That's the first thing I want to see. Here we have a water bottle. And a baby chair. Okay, let me set this up where I don't have to hold it. All right, there we go. Man, if those are loaded with Nike shoes, then this was a really good unit. So let's see. Let me get that angled. All right, there we go. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's see. We got a box with a radio on it. Looky there, guys. Looky there. We have jerseys, brand new sealed. I don't know if you can see that. Brand new sealed jerseys with tags, throwbacks. It's like the Texas Rangers. All right, look at that. Tag on it, $59. Two of them. Nice. All right. Go ahead. I'm going to put these in the car. I'll figure out what they are. They look like Texas Rangers colors, but they're really big. I'll have to check into it. Actually, let's just put these right here. I want to know about the Nike. All right. Got a can of original Never Dull. Clean those floors. What's in there? All right. Okay, sounds like something's in there. See the dust? And I saw that white cloth on top, which Nike puts in, which is a good sign. All right, we have the white cloth, and yes, we have a pair of Nike sandals. I could tell by the box it looks like they're brand new too. Brand new. Brand new Nike. Now, if you know anything about Nikes, the box will tell you right here. These are size 4 youth, black and red. They're junior get sandals, and usually they have the MSRP. But being brand new, at least 30 or 40 bucks. Oh, guys, look. This pair only has one. This box only has one. Alright, let's see. There we have another pair of sandals. And with Nike, you'll have that 9-digit. This is a size 7 women's suggested retail. This is like new dead stock, guys. And here's the number. You can look these up. 310-896-181. If you're watching this, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit the like button so other people can find this video. And comment below if somebody could research for me. Look this up. Nike 310-896-181. Look on the solds on eBay and tell me what these are selling for. Here, let me get this. Let's take a better look. Look at that. Filled. And it looks like this one's filled. And we got more stuff. We got bags back here. All sorts of stuff. But these are the main 2 box. Remember, I only spent like 80 bucks on this. All right. Here, let me pause it a second. I'm going to flip the camera around. All right. That way I can see what we're recording. Okay. What is this? Olive leaf and lemon. This is for like floors. You want to go through all this stuff. I don't know. I'll have to take a look at that though. Yeah. Alright, back to the shoes. Alright, let's look at the box. Women's Air Trainer Escape Mules, size 6.5. Look. See them? Brand new, guys. I love storage units. This is why it's a gamble. Now keep in mind, I looked at probably 50 to 100 units online before I decided I wanted to buy this one, on the hope that this was filled with Nike shoes. What are these? Oh my gosh, baby Nikes. Huh. Look at that. Baby Nikes. Anybody got any babies? Need some baby Nikes? Normally don't sell those, but once again, these are new, guys. These are new. What do we hear? Little. Once again, more baby Nike shoes, guys. We are filled. We are filled. This box is filled. This box is filled with Nike. Some women's. Here's another women's pair. Wow, 3 toddlers. These are all new, guys. These are all new. All right, so it looks like this one has some women's. A lot of kids, but new in box. Probably old, dead stock, which means you can't get them anymore. Have to look all these up, have to do a research, but all this will sell, guys. We'll go ahead and load this box into the car. I'll do more research at home. Let me load that up. And then we'll get into the next box. And the other thing was I needed to kind of scout, see what type of vehicle I was going to need. So I'm in a Prius. See if I need to rent a van or a truck or borrow one. But I can get these home tonight. All right, I'm gonna pause it a second while I'm loading that box up, and we'll get to the next one in just a second. Hold tight. All right, guys, Texas Treasure's back here, and this is what we do. We're treasure hunting. So let's check out this other box of Nikes. All right, let's see. Once again, they're in here. Brand new Nike On sandals, size 9 women's, size 5 women's. Golly, lots of these sandals. Size 8. Here's some bigger boxes. Let's see if we got some bigger shoes. That's what I'm hoping. The sandals are fine. Well, lots of sandals, guys. Lots of Nike sandals, but each of these boxes, each of these shoes are worth at least $20. And it's a full box. It's a full case full. 2 cases full. Looks like they're probably all. Yeah, these are all sandals, but they're stacked deep. I don't know, 20, 30 pair in a case. Say 30 30. 2 cases, 60. $20 a pair at least. $1,200, guys. Plus the 2 jerseys. I spent $70 plus the fees. This is a win, guys. This is a win. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and load this box up, and I'll get back to looking for some more stuff. All right, man, I'm stoked. This is already a good unit. Today I wanted to pick those up, and we'll do a little recon. I'm gonna have to work through this unit. Obviously there's some bigger stuff we're gonna have to pull out. Probably gonna need a truck, maybe a van, but let's see what else we might find in here. All right, let me set this down. We'll do a little recon, see if we find any more treasures, guys. Good unit already. All right, get situated. All right, here we go. We got a mirror to dresser. Okay, bucket. trash. Redefining the future. Looks like a gym bag. Check the pockets of the gym bags real quick. Just kind of doing a recon here. We got some clothes in here. We'll go through. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We got Nike wristbands, new one and bag. It's like a whole case of it. Let's pull that out. Yeah, baby. All right. Big swoosh. Got different colors. Got white, black, and red. Headbands. Man, this looks like whoever had this. You know, obviously they love Nike. All right, I'm gonna load this up real quick. All right, guys. All right. Let's see. Whew. We got clothes here, which, you know, my last unit we had a lot of Nike and Adidas clothing. Here we got some broken glass. Table broke. My car is not going to hold much more, so I'm just kind of want to see what all might be here. Got some CDs. Oh, you got a polo jacket. Got a Nike hoodie. And all this stuff can be washed and cleaned up, guys. These tables are in the way. They're going to have to go. Those tables are going to have to go. It's kind of hard to get back here. Let me move this. So I don't have room to take in this big stuff right now. All right. Ew, that's gross. Got some nasty toilet paper. All right, we got clothes, Nike clothes. This could be some good stuff. Sell the polo. Ha! Got another box with shoes in it, guys. Look at this, Buffalino. I sell a lot of shoes. Not real familiar with that brand. These are new. US size 13, that's my size. What do you think? Should I sport the red loafers? I'll have to look them up. Brand new pair of shoes. Set that aside. Man, I want to get back here, but we got more boxes in here. Oh, we got a pair of glasses. In a Nike box. We'll have to go through all of this, but kind of short on time for tonight. Just want to do some quick intel. Safe scan. What are these gloves? Oh, assorted headbands. It says right here, assorted headbands. Wonder if we got more. Ching ching. More headbands, guys. More headbands. Saying $5 or $6 each on these. We've already got a case plus another box. Who knows what else is back here? I just can't get back there right now. I'm gonna have to clear out. Now keep in mind, this is only my third unit. So I'm still learning this process. What do we got there? We got some kitchen stuff. See some clothes hangers in the back. Got these chairs, which this furniture's junk, right? Just gonna take that to a dump or to be recycled. But just from what I've seen, it's pretty good. So I tell you what, this is gonna be part one. This is part one, guys. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have, hit the bell button to be notified when new videos are dropped. Hit the like button and comment down below. What else do you think I'm gonna find? This is part one. We're gonna come back out here tomorrow after work for part two, and then Saturday finish it off probably with a bigger vehicle, part three. Probably bring my buddy Clay out here as we finish this out. So until we see you tomorrow, guys, happy treasure hunting. That's Brian, aka Texas Treasures. We'll see you tomorrow.